I'm Julie Cockroft, and I'm with Grace Home in Blanchard, Oklahoma, and my husband and I are the directors of Grace Home. We come alongside women ages 18 to 30 years of age who are in an unsupported pregnancy. We provide housing, access to good medical, consistent medical care. We help with life skills. We help them in all areas of life to help them become healthier parents. This money will be a huge blessing. Due to COVID last year, things were difficult, and this will just go to help us help other young women and babies, and to reach other women in the community. Some of our different programs is we help with substance recovery. We have lots of parenting programs at Grace Home, and that helps the woman parent the child that she has while she's at Grace Home. We like to say that we impact 2 or more generations because we affect the mom, we affect her children, and oftentimes we even reach back and make a change in the lives of their parents or their grandparents, and so the change keeps on giving.